Too many people tell me that they are afraid to start print on demand because they're not a designer. Designing is just one part of print on demand. Print on demand is about marketing, it's about customer service, it's about finding trends and being able to replicate your success when you get that success. And so today I'm gonna walk you through a handful of very simple designs that are absolutely printing money so you can get some inspiration and some confidence that this doesn't have to be rocket science. These are not artists that are making these designs, and you can do it too. It's 2026, and so we have so many great tools and resources out there in order for us to actually fact check what is working. And so today I am partnering with Everbee to take you behind the scenes into Etsy so you can get an understanding on what is working. And how does Everbee do this? They are a plug-in extension that allows you to see the different types of statistics and sales and conversion rates that are happening on Etsy. Once you install Everbee, you're gonna be able to see this panel of different tools on the left-hand side. I will ensure that I link them in the description below if you are interested in checking them out. They have a free plan that you can get started with, and if you need more searches, you can upgrade later on if you so choose. But once you have Everbee, you're gonna see this little bee pop up with the different types of sales figures. The first listing that I'm gonna highlight here is a crew neck sweatshirt that says Cool Moms Club and an embroidered application. What I love about this is off the jump, we can see that this product has been live for 7 months. The conversion rate has been about 2.35%, and this listing since being live has driven 85 monthly sales. If I dig into this a little bit deeper, I can actually see the entire flow of how long this product has been live and when those sales have happened. What's been really great is since this product has been live, it had a huge bump over the Q4 retail season. It's kind of died off coming into the early parts of the year, but we would anticipate that coming into Mother's Day, we're gonna see a huge lift on this product as well. And what I love about this product is that anybody can do this. It's simply titled Cool Moms Club, but it has this embroidered aesthetic that is different than what was popular a couple of years ago, but definitely something that you could do today. The pricing strategy is another thing that I would point your attention to. They're calling out 20% off as in a limited time sale, and so it's those types of small details that can really move the needle here. Another thing that I'll note is that we've seen this shift of going from the cheapest and most affordable option to more of these premium, vintage, lived-in material sweaters like this one, which is a Comfort Colors sweater. And folks are willing to pay a little bit more if it is going to be something that is comfortable and is on trend with the aesthetics right now. And so Comfort Colors is an amazing pick if you are looking to do something a little bit more simple and high-end, because they are higher priced products, but clearly are performing very, very well. And a lot of people would look and say, yeah, how can I compete in this realm? You may not be able to compete in the Cool Moms Club sweatshirts, but there's nothing that this seller is doing that you could not do from a pricing perspective, from a design perspective, from a product perspective. And I'll highlight that by going over to Printify, which is another partner of mine that I've been working with for the last couple of years, to show you where you can source these products and how the pricing nets out. As we can see here, they are charging $39.99 for this crew neck, and they have an $8.99 shipping fee. So on this, right off the jump, the person that is paying for this is paying around $50, including tax, for this product. On Printify, we can see here that this is the unisex garment dyed sweatshirt with Comfort Colors, and we can see that if you have Printify Premium, you're going to pay around $23, $24 plus $7.39 for shipping. So you're gonna end up paying around $30 to actually ship this product out. But in terms of revenue, you're actually making over $50. Obviously, there's gonna be taxes, there's gonna be some of the processing fees that come out of that, but you're probably at least clearing $10, $15 on this single order. And if you can replicate that a couple of times per day, you are now making $1,000 or more per month on a single SKU. And if we go back over to this listing, we can see that they have driven around 235 total sales. So clearly a product that has driven a lot of revenue for this seller. And again, something that you can do today, putting your own spin on it, going after a different type of wording that does not play in the same realm, but absolutely doable as well. Let's keep the ball rolling and let's hop over to another product. Now, blankets have been one of my top picks in 2025 and now 2026. They are continuing to grow in popularity. A, they're not as saturated, and B, you You can personalize these and they look and feel very high end, and there are different products across this woven one that I'm showcasing right now, as well as more silky and minky types of fabrics that are absolutely able to be personalized and printed on. But what I love about this example is that if we dig into the data of this blanket, we can see that it has been live for only a few months, so only 2 months of this product being live. So far, it's driven a total sale volume of 71 units, and there is actually not personalization on this mock-up. The mock-up is showing the blanket that has a beautiful background and a beautiful pattern and design and a single word printed on it, grandma. It does look like you can personalize this, so that is something that you would probably be interesting to offer to your customers, but this is the mock-up that is generating the traffic to the site, and a very simple type of design that you could design as well. These florals and birds are easily things that you could source from Canva, Kittle, Creative Fabrica, whichever platform you are currently utilizing, and having these text either directly integrated into your design on Canva, Kittle would work great, or you can utilize Printify's personalization feature that would actually allow you to personalize this live, and the customer can personalize it, so you're not having to do that for every single order. I'll have a video linked to how to use the automatic personalization feature for Printify dropped in the link below, but check that out if it's interesting to you. But once again, let's take a look at some of the financials here. So they are offering a couple of different sizes, which is the same sizing that we'll see over on Printify. I have currently clicked into the 52 by 37, which is the smaller blanket. They are charging $39 for this product with $5.99 shipping, so a very affordable shipping structure. With tax and shipping and everything included, that's probably gonna be around $50 for this blanket. And if we come over to Printify, we're gonna be able to see the pricing here. So the smallest size is about $21 on Printify Premium with $9.99 in shipping. So while the revenue of this product is gonna be around $50, you're actually gonna only have to pay around $30 to Printify to print, package, and ship this. 2.5 days of delivery time is super quick. Once again, here we can see they have the 3 different sizes, and the print methods can kind of change across if you wanna do more of an artistic style or have it be more realistic, so the option is totally up to you. But once again, with this product, you are making at least $10 to $15 per order that is being shipped out. And if you can get a bestseller like this that has only been live for 2 months and you sell it 70 times, you are talking about making above $700, moving the needle to over $1,000 on a single product. I'm not saying that it's going to be easy. There's going to take some momentum in order for you to build that up. But once again, this is a simple design that anybody watching this video could absolutely make and get started today. Moving on to my third example, and one that I just love and I think is so fun and topical right now, is going to be this custom retro 70s mug. Now, this mug, again, is nothing revolutionary. We are utilizing a little bit of vintage text and some line work. That is it. But there has not been a design like this on the platform before. And so the first mover for this design got the advantage. Obviously, it looks like a lot of people have moved into this space in the last couple of weeks. But this listing has been live for 6 months. And so far, it's done nearly 1,800 sales. And this pricing of a mug, I feel like mugs are hard to actually sell just because sometimes you have to have a really creative design, or you have to be first to market with a specific type of design that is really on trend. But when you get a bestseller, the profit margins are insane. Here we do have personalization offered here, so you'd have to be okay with making sure that you personalize the actual name. But there's nothing about this mug and this design that you would not be able to do. They're actually only utilizing 4 listing images, and they have a small little video. But there's nothing standing out from this product other than the fact that they were able to build this momentum early. And if we go over to Printify, we're gonna be able to see that they have a plethora of different mugs. I'm assuming that that shop was using the 11-ounce mug, but if we go down here for the 11-ounce mug, it is $4 to print one of these mugs and an extra $5 to $6 to ship that. So in terms of cost out of pocket to ship this, you're gonna pay about $10, and this seller is selling this product for $18.40 plus $5.65 in shipping. Once again here, you are gonna be able to make over $10, closer to $15 on these mugs, depending on if you bring that person in through share or save. And that is an insane amount of revenue for a single listing. If you times that by the total sales here, that would mean that this listing alone is sitting close to $7,000 of profit. an insane amount of opportunities sitting in these simple designs that anybody watching this video could absolutely do. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of inspiration that it doesn't have to be these maximal, bright, vibrant designs that are really moving the needle. There is opportunity to focus on what is trending now. We knew that vintage was trending and that person understood that and was able to launch that listing. They might be running ads for their products too, which is kind of eating into their margin since they were first to market. But really what happens is when a product on Etsy gets traction and actually starts selling, Etsy is gonna reward that behavior and it's gonna keep sending people to that listing because it knows that when somebody sees that, they check out, which means Etsy makes money and you make money. So the hardest part is being able to trend spot these different things, list the products, but once you do get one of those best sellers, the momentum is what's gonna ride through and you're going to see that some of these simple designs actually can scale. I would not recommend just jumping into the fire and recreating the things that we looked at today. That is not going to work. But if you can continue to spot different trends and see what is working in your shop and maybe test different simplistic elements with that and just get an understanding on if it's the type of customer that's liking your design and what the type of use case is for your product, that is gonna help move the needle for the other products that you're going to get live. It doesn't have to be this insane, artistic, design-heavy item. Although we have seen a trend of things being more simple and minimalistic in the last couple of years, shifting to having a more maximal and colorful trajectory for 2026. So consider that too. These are some simple examples that hopefully give you that confidence. But if you have more of those maximal designs too and you're comfortable in that realm, I definitely recommend dabbling there too. If this was helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button and I will catch you on the next one.